Okay, have an interesting one today. These are all what we call downdraft exhaust systems. So all these tables from here, this line here, they all connect together. In the center, right there, is a line, and then it goes from each table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to the roof. So this whole dining room is full of these tables. All downdraft. In other words, they blow down, over, through the center of these booths and up to the roof. This is a little bit unusual. You don't see this every day. This is what the plenum looks like. Okay. So there's a filter that goes here, and it's under this table. And then now, of course, that's not really being cleaned thoroughly. All of these vertical ducts that you see. So you see them here, over there, over there, over there. This all goes to the roof. There's an access panel right here. And then that's the lateral duct. And then when you look inside, you can see each plenum for each table on that as it runs across the room. And that's what it looks like going up to the roof. Bryan Exhaust Service, we will take care of it.